Hello. Hi. Good afternoon and happy rainy Sunday to everyone watching. How is everyone doing today? Wow, we have someone from India tuning in. Hello. I'm currently in Mandaluyong here in Manila right now. And it's been very gloomy, rainy. We have someone tuning in from the Bay Area. Hi. Okay, someone is tuning in from Cagayan de Oro. It's also raining there. Watching from Ireland. Someone is watching from Ireland, from Canada, from Bicol. Where else are you tuning in from? UAE? Wow. From Prince Edward Island, Canada. Wow. From UK, New Zealand, Bahrain, Cincinnati, Ohio. We have someone from Bamban, Tarlac, Antipolo City, Zamboanga. Hi. Happy Sunday. So the reason that I went live today is because I wanted to invite all of you to my upcoming yoga and meditation classes for the month of August. I'm very excited to share that we have an in-person class on August 3 at 5 p.m. at M Studio Magallanes. And this is going to be the in-person class that is the same as what we did last July 7, but we did it online, and it is our forgiveness meditation. So it is the How to Forgive Yourself and Others class in honor of Global Forgiveness Day. So we did that online last July 7, and a lot of people were able to learn from that class. And I wanted to do an in-person version, which we will be doing on August 3 at M Studio Magallanes. All my classes are not free. I'm so sorry to say. Although I'm not sorry because this is also my job. So it's not for free. There is an energy fee. So for the class on August 3, it's going to be 1,111 pesos per person. So it is about forgiveness. How to forgive yourself and others. 1,111 pesos per person. And it's very limited slots. I think I can only accept up to maybe 15 to 20 students. Yes, maraming akala kapag artista ang nagbibigay free. Kailangan rin po namin kumita. My services, I cherish my work. And I do my work from my heart. So I hope that you can honor my work by paying for it. And also, you have to invest in your healing. 1.5 hours to 2 hours. 1.5 hours is the whole class. But if there will be like a question and answer, we can go to up to 1 hour and 45 minutes. It really depends on how the class will go. But it's going to be, a discussion about forgiveness, how to forgive yourself and others, what I did to forgive myself, the process that I went through, and what you can do, the tools that you can use in order to forgive yourself and those around you. Because I realized that I was not able to forgive the people who wronged me because I was not doing the work to forgive myself first. So it starts with yourself. You really have to forgive yourself first. So please join. Please join our class on August 3, How to Forgive Yourself and Others at M Studio Magallanes. Yes, I plan to create a YouTube channel for yoga. I actually have a YouTube channel already. If you look for it on YouTube, my YouTube channel I think is Max Magalona, Max with double X, MAXX Magalona. Follow me, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be uploading a vlog very, very soon. It is my vlog in Palawan. So I did a lot of self-work while I was in Palawan, and I vlogged about it. So please, please stand by for that. I am going to be uploading it soon. My team and I are already preparing it. Yes, all our classes in Meditate with Maxine, all our classes are beginner friendly. So please, please come join us. If you've never tried yoga and meditation, this is very good kasi we really make sure that we do the class very mindfully, calmly, slowly, gently. So please join our classes. So that's on August 3. And then, every Saturday for the month of August, we have online online meditation classes. Every Saturday at 11 a.m. These classes are about 30 to 45 minutes long, and it's just meditation. We will be discussing the topic, and this series, I'm very excited for this one. Every Saturday, so we have 5 classes. This is our Believe in Yourself online meditation series. So August is the month of Leo, the zodiac sign Leo. And Leo energy represents self-expression and shining your light. And I know a lot of us find it hard to believe in ourselves. That's why if you want to learn how to believe in yourselves more, please join this series. We have 5 classes. August 3, Be Yourself. August 10, Relax Yourself. August 17, Accept Yourself. August 24, Value Yourself. And August 31, Elevate Yourself. So please, please send us a DM at Meditate with Maxine so that you can learn, so that you can find out how you can register. We can help you register and reserve slots for you. Our online meditation series, 5 classes. 1 class is 555 pesos. But if you would like to avail of all 5 classes, you can get them for 2,500 pesos. So please, please, either you join August 3, our in-person class, or every Saturday at 11 a.m. August 3 at 5 p.m. at M Studio Magallanes. That's the in-person class. And then for the online meditation series, Believe in Yourself, every Saturday at 11 a.m. via Zoom. So it's going to be online. So please, please, join our classes. Send us a DM at Meditate with Maxine, and we will help you register. So thank you so much to everyone who sent in their kind words, their kind thoughts. If you are feeling lost, off-center, tired, stressed, anxious, fearful, join our community and we will help you learn how to process your emotions, feel your emotions, so that you can be more aligned and more in tune with yourself. So please, please, please join our classes August 3 in person at M Studio Magallanes, And then every Saturday at 11 a.m. via Zoom. August 3, in person at 5 p.m. at M Studio Magallanes. And then every Saturday, 11 a.m. online meditation series. So thank you again so much for joining this live. We hope to see you in our classes, and we hope that you can join our meditation community. Send us a DM at Meditate with Maxine, and we will help you register for your classes. Thank you.